Okay, Abby's going to try to do a few tricks for you. We'll see how that goes. Okay, come on. Over here. Come on. Sit. Down. Crawl. Good girl. Back here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Sit. Sit. Up. Down. Carol. Up. Round. Try it again. Up. Up. Sit. Shake. High five. High five. Good girl. Wait. Wave. Can you wave? Wave. Do it again. Come on. Wave. Wave. Up, down. Okay, down here. Down here. Sit. 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 Down. Stay. Put a $3 call. See how long it can stay. Wait. Wait. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Carol, leave it. No, leave it. Leave it. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to do a little bit of cleanup now. Abby, come here. Here. Abby, here. Okay. Go get it. Get the paper. In the can. In the can. Good girl. Good girl. I'll try it again. You ready? Get the paper. In the can. Clean up. In the can. Try it again. In the can. Come on, in the can. Good girl. Girl. One more time. You ready? Abby, you ready? Okay, in the can. Good girl. Okay, just want to clean up? Okay, go get the can. Get the can. Go get it. Go get it. Now, apparently she doesn't want to do that kind of thing now. She's distracted by the cat. Abby, come here. We're going to say goodbye. Come here. Abby. Abby. Hey, guys. Come on. Over here. Over here. Sit. Sit. Okay, come here. Come here. Wait. Come here. Okay, take a bow. Good girl.